Alright guys, insane fucking day today. Welcome to this video. In this video I will cover my updated traders model, which made me, I don't know, 3k today. Updated traders model, and also I had a fucking banger on Forex again today via TP. It was a string trade. I was in the trade from Monday or Tuesday. I will cover it all in this video. Make sure to stay until the end because I will literally explain my future strat in depth, my updated future strat. Then I will also explain to you guys my Forex trade, my Forex strategy, how I was able to take those two trades. I don't think there's anyone else doing it like me. I literally hit TP yesterday on fucking futures. I hit TP today on futures, and I also hit TP today on Forex. There is literally no other influencer slash mentor that catches wins in both markets that I know of, alright? I'm not trying to brag or anything. I just know nobody else that does like me in both markets with different strategies, alright? Anyway, without further bullshitting, let's get into it. First of all, the futures trade. As you guys know, I trade my traders model. It is what I want to. This is what I want to see. I would like to see an SMT on the 1 hour, either a previous 1 hour candle or just a major SMT, session SMT, but it has to be visible on the 1 hour. Now that was my strategy. All right, we updated it from the 1 hour to the 30 minutes, and we will be doing the 30 minutes previous candle SMT. Basically, what does this mean? We just need to see the previous 30-minute high or low being swept on NQ or ES and not on the other pair. That's it. Then we will look for an inversion and a CISD. Today that played out. Also guys, like I told you in the previous video and on social media, we are doing a road to payout challenge. We just bought 3 new fresh alpha evils. This is the first rate that we got on them. 1.5 risk reward, little $750 bang, first rate on the accounts. Super nice to see it. Anyway, let me cover the trade for you guys. So, what did we see today? This was the trade of this morning. Let me go to the 30 minute. On the 30 minutes this morning, you could see a perfect example of a previous 30-minute candle SMT. As you can see, this is the high of this 30-minute candle. This is the high of the same exact 30-minute candle on S&P 500. What do we see on Nasdaq? Next candle stays below it. What do you see on S&P? Next candle, break it. So we have a 30-minute previous candle SMT. Next, what do? Like I said, I just go to the 1 minute, I look for an inversion, and look for a CISD, and I fucking enter. What do we see? After we mark out our SMT, we have our CISD right here. Why? This is the last high, this is the last low before we created our SMT. This is our SMT, last low before it. CISD level right here. Where is our inversion? Right here. We inverse our fair value gap. Super nice. Bam. Close below our inversion. We close below our CISD. I was 1 minute late. Kinda lucky. I still entered right here. Had a super horrible fill. Doesn't really matter. We still hit our target. For this strategy, I also target a 1.5 risk reward ratio. You know, in my previous videos, I was always targeting a 1-to-1. Anyways, everybody improves. Everything gets better, so do we, so does the fucking traders model. 1.5 risk reward ratio, we go break even around a 1-to-1 or around a logic level. So in this trade, for example, there wasn't really any logic level. You could say this fair value gap, but it is fucking close to our entry, so it wouldn't make sense. We therefore chose this fair value gap to go to break even. As you can see, we hit it right here, chopped around. Next candle we hit TPO, I think. We had TP right there. Fucking insane. It is this simple, right? Let me just summarize it again for you. 30-minute previous candle SMT with a high or with low. 1 minute inversion, 1 minute CISD, 1.5 risk rewards. That's it, right? Let me just quickly show you the results. Why? Because we also got it live on our fucking Discord. As you can see, Lorenzo entering this now. He also standing before the trading chat, too far back that we wanted to see this. Entering now, come on, we'll go break even when we break last low, stop us to break even, bruh, bang, TP hit. That's how easy it is, that's how we do it. Results. Lorenzo, bang, 708, 708, 708. Jens, bang, 2.5k day for this one-on-one mentorship guy. Bergmans, bang, 200 on each account. Tipo, whew. Bang, 2k per account. This is a Forex trade, this is also Forex trade. That's one I will cover later. So, futures fucking W, fucking insane. I can talk more about this because it is this easy. So I will cover the Forex trade right now. Boom! Another banger. I always get hyped looking at my trades. I don't know how. Just knowing that I literally can predict the market, it feels so fucking insane. Alright, Forex. This is a little bit complicated, alright? Why? Because this is literally swing trading, alright? No scalping, no day trading, no nothing. Fucking swing trading. This trade took 2 days, exactly 3 days before I closed it. 3 fucking days. This trade took fucking 17 minutes. Mind blowing. Completely different strategy, but it is super valid and it fucking works. How does it work? Basic market structure, basic break and retest concept, basic supply and demand concept. That's it. This is probably the easiest, simplest trade of my whole fucking life, and it's been a while since I hit the shit on fucking Forex, but let's get over it. So first of all, 4-hour basic market structure. Super easy. We are insane bearish. What do we have lately on the 4-hour trend? We have a massive consolidation. What do I want to see? Breakout to the upside, I will look for buys. Breakout to the downside, I will look for sells. Makes sense, right? It's so fucking easy. Anyways, we have a massive breakout to the downside. As you can see, massive breakout to the downside. We touched this area once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times before we had our breakout, and look how big our breakout is. Boom, insanely fast breakout. But that's not the only thing. With this breakout, we also created a super sick supply area. Supply area right here. How do I mark it out? So my LCC concept. Can't go in depth on this because it is my secret concept. If you want to learn this, you'll have to join my private exclusive Discord. Anyways, LCC concept. I first was really cautious because this candle right here was super fucking big, so I didn't like it at first. But when we had this momentum loss, shit switched in my mind. I started to like it, and then after this fucking candle, I was so convinced. This is not my exact entry model. Normally, I would like to see a double top being formed on the 15-minute or on the 1 hour, but after seeing this candle, bro, so fucking bearish. I really like the pressure, and I was like, okay, the move is gonna start here. It's game over. We filled everything that we had to fill. We reacted on everything that we had to reject from. So I was like, bruv, let me fucking try it. See, the day before, really interested, might enter tomorrow morning. Next morning, entered a short here. Really like momentum. I'm insane. Entered the short. Look, this is the before. This is the after. It's the same fucking time frame. This candle, bombaklad, bombaklad. It's that insane. Stop us to break even. Closed at 3 risk reward. That easy. Break and retest, supply and demand, momentum loss, momentum shift. It is this easy. I can't talk anymore about this. If you watch this video, please watch it on repeat 10 times, slow it down, watch it again, slow it down again, watch it again, because it is here. It is that simple. Forex, futures, doesn't matter. Everything fucking works. I will show you my other trade that I got also, but this was unfortunately a break even. Same fucking concept. What do we have? Basic market structure on the 4 hour. We are bearish. What's next? LCC concept or a massive breakout? Where's my breakout? Right here. Why? We have this low in the market. We break through it. This is also a support area. We break the support area. We have to retest it. In order with the break, there is a supply being created. Why do I choose a supply there? LCC concept. Can't explain, doesn't matter. Momentum loss, I decided to enter. I hit break even. Unfortunately, right here was my break even level, kind of fast because I was also in the other trade and it was kind of mixed with USD and the war, blah blah. Anyways, I hit break even here. Played out eventually for a 3 risk reward. Now we're pulling back at a 2. Still fucking happy to see this trade played out. Bang. 2 and 2 for Forex, 2 and 2 for futures. It's been an absolute banging week. I fucking love it.